Installing the Alert Update Connector Pro. I remote desktop to my SCOM management server that has the operations console and web console installed. Open a web browser to SCOM2K7.com. Download the latest version of the SCOM Alert Update Connector Pro. Extract the installer from the zip file. Double-click on the MSI file to begin the install process. Click Next. Accept the license agreement and click Next. Click Install. Click Yes. Click Yes. Here is the configuration screen. Type in your System Center Data Access account and password. If you don't know which account that is, you can go to Services and search for System Center Data Access Service. In my case, the account name is SCOM2K16/SCOMDAS. Click OK. Click Start to open the application. Next, we will install the optional SCOM Alert Update Connector Pro Management Pack. Open the SCOM console and select the administration pane. Under Management Packs, right-click and select Import Management Packs. Select Add from Disk. Select No on the Online Catalog Connection dialog. Browse out to the Alert Update Connector Pro install directory. Select the Management Pack file. Click the Install button. Click Close. Go to the Monitoring pane, and you will see the new SCOM Alert Update Connector Pro folder. Note, it will take some time for the objects to be discovered. After 5 to 10 minutes, the SCOM Alert Update Connector Pro will be discovered by the Management Pack. Any problems detected with the SCOM Alert Update Connector Pro will be shown in the alert view. Click the website to easily access the tool from within the console.